Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Airtable, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type airtable.com and press enter. Once the Airtable homepage loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to initiate the registration process. You will be taken to a sign up page with multiple options. You can choose to sign up with Google, Apple, or your email address. If you prefer signing up with an email, click on Sign up with email. Enter your email address in the provided field. Once you've entered your email, click Get Started. Next, you will receive a confirmation email from Airtable. Check your inbox for the email and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, you will be redirected back to Airtable. Now, you need to create a password for your account. Type in a secure password that meets the specified requirements. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Once you've completed the password fields, click Create Account. Next, you will be prompted to provide some basic information. Fill in your name and any other requested details. After entering your information, click Continue. You may be asked to select an option for how you plan to use Airtable. Choose the option that best describes your intended use. Following this, you might be presented with a guided tour option. If you wish to explore, click on Take a Tour or skip it. Once complete, you can begin using Airtable's features. Congratulations, you have successfully registered for Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.